Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be something simple and short. I'm going to show you 3 different recipes for banana smoothies. I usually put bananas in every smoothie that I make, so I don't know if that's like common for everyone, but I'm just going to show you 3 of my favorite recipes, and I hope that you like them. If you want to see like something else, a different ingredient, let me know in the comments. You know what to do. Like and comment, and make sure you subscribe and eat a lot of bread, because bread is good. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first smoothie is strawberry banana blast. So we're gonna start with some oat milk. I put like half a cup of oat milk, and then we're gonna put 1 banana, and then we're gonna add in some strawberries. I used about 10 strawberries, but you can use more or less depending on your taste. Then you smooth it really well, and then add like 5 pieces of mango. And of course you can add less or more, it's depending on your taste. You can add more bananas if you want it to be thicker, but I like it like in between thick and thin, so I can actually drink it with like a fork a spoon, a straw. Okay, so the next one is the Very Berry Banana Smoothie. We're going to use some almond milk, the vanilla flavored, a banana. We're going to use some mangoes. I just use a couple, like 6 of them, and then half a cup of frozen berries. And then you can serve it how it is, because there's already frozen berries in there, so it's pretty cold. And this is also about a cup. You can add more of each ingredient or less, like I said, depending on your taste. Then the next one is peanut butter and banana. So we're gonna use a couple ice cubes, some almond milk, and a ripe banana. And then we're gonna use a spoon and a half of peanut butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And then you blend it up until it's smooth. The peanut butter smoothie is actually the thinnest of all 3 smoothies, because I put a lot of almond milk, probably a cup of almond milk. And like I said, I like mine's a little thin, so you can put less milk or more milk in any of the smoothies if you like. See, this looks like milk, or like, yeah, it just has a very thin consistency. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Bye.